Introduction to Exporting Garmin Connect Data.
Want to keep your workout records safe? Exporting your fitness data from Garmin Connect ensures you have a reliable backup and lets you analyze your progress outside the Garmin platform. In this guide, you'll learn the easiest and most secure way to export your data from the Garmin Connect website.
Accessing Garmin Connect on the web.
Start by logging into the Garmin Connect website using your usual credentials. While the mobile app is great for tracking workouts, all options to export your complete fitness data are found on the desktop website. Make sure you have access to a computer and a stable internet connection before proceeding.
Exporting individual activities.
To export individual workouts, go to the Activities section. Select an activity you wish to export. Then look for the Export option, often found as a drop-down menu or small icon. Choose your preferred file format, such as TCX, GPX, or CSV, and download the file. Perfect for sharing or uploading to other apps.
Exporting all your Garmin data.
For a full backup, Garmin Connect lets you export all your account data. Head to your account settings and locate the Export Your Data feature. This generates a zip file containing all your workouts, health stats, and profile information. The process may take some time, and you'll receive an email with a link to download your data when it's ready.
Keeping your Garmin data safe.
After exporting, store your files securely. Save backups on your computer, an external drive, or a reliable cloud storage service. This ensures you always have access to your fitness records, no matter what happens to your devices. Regularly exporting and backing up your data is a smart way to protect your fitness journey.